bit of a tip video for battery watering stuff. You'll see these recommended a lot, which is a battery watering jug with an integrated, supposedly, automatic shutdown or automatic fill stopping mechanism inside this nozzle that goes down inside the filler neck of the cell. Problem with these, when it comes to really big solar batteries like these, which are basically modified or factory modified forklift batteries so that they have these flag terminals for the cell interconnections instead of hard cast lead terminals, is that all the stuff on top of these batteries makes it really hard to use one of these. Oh, tiny cat. But one of these filler jigs, this one I got at Harbor Freight, they're probably available at other places. These are very good for this type of battery. Because tried topping the batteries up with this. It was an absolute pain in the balls shortly after I brought the system online. Just tried this thing today, which I've got fairly recently, and it is, for the purpose, quite good, although the problem is that there's no positive way of shutting off the flow of water in this, so it'll like to splooge water everywhere if you let it, so there's a certain amount of technique involved, but all in all, these are quite good for this type of battery, although a lot of people don't, especially not starting out with these, and even for their final system, they don't tend to like to use these because they're big and expensive, although granted, if you get a decent quality golf cart batteries, they're not going to last as long, and you're going to be cost-wise for the amount of capacity fairly comparable over the life of the battery. Whereas these things, properly treated, are good for well north of 15 years, so that's why we got them. And also I had a previous starter bank of RV batteries, which worked okay for a couple of years, but really not the kind of thing that you want to go with for a big system. But for things like RV batteries, leisure batteries or leisure batteries, if you're in certain parts of the world, golf cart batteries, these are quite good, but not really the best thing if you're dealing with something with a lot of stuff on top of the cells like with these guys. So yeah, and yes, I know the back of the battery box isn't finished yet.